Welcome to Lady Upgrade You. Today I will be making a lemon peel milk bath. It's pretty quick and simple and easy. I prepared some of my steps already. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Now today I have my bowl, and a lot of my ingredients I just eyeballed. So I'm gonna make a big batch of this. So I might double the order or double the ingredients. I have a very big bowl. In that bowl I have 4 cups of dried milk. Okay, and I'm gonna add that to the bowl. And then I have a cup of dried oats, that I grind myself, which are these. And then I'm gonna add sea salt. And I'm gonna add the sea salt in the bowl separately. And then I'm going to add 5 drops of chamomile oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, and 5 drops of lime essential oil. And I'm just going to mix that together with my hands like that, just so it'll dissolve better when I add it to this. I'm gonna add maybe half a cup to a cup of baking soda. And then I'm gonna add a half a cup of cornstarch, just to bind it all together. Then I will add the salt and essential oil mixture. Oh, I opened everything except the lemon. So organic lime peel powder. Lime peel powder is excellent for acne, any kind of skin issues. It clears it up because it has extra vitamin C and antioxidants. This is very strong, so I'm gonna add about there. So that was a total of maybe 3 tablespoons. No, maybe 2. Just a little under 2. Okay, in 1 second. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. As you can smell this. It smells so good. The milk has a lot of nutrients that can remove the bacteria and toxins off of your skin and leave your skin feeling nice and smooth. It's kind of choking me up a little bit. Leave your skin nice and smooth and silky, and just detox and opens up the pores to help eliminate some of the bad things on the skin surface. It also smells unbelievable, I might add. And it also helps with people with eczema, with some type of eczema issues, with the oatmeal up in there. And that's it. I'm gonna bottle this. I would suggest you use maybe this much, 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons into a very hot bath water, and just soak. And you can also rub your face with this if you're having any kind of acne issues on your face or on your body. This, you can put this on your face and it will clear it up instantly. And this is my lavender peel milk bath. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment.